Guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD. Guys, last week we were buying this, and as you guys can see, we hit our target. Analysis was uploaded a week ago. On Monday, we consolidated. On Tuesday, we got rejected, and on Wednesday, we got a move. So, guys, the question is, what are we going to do for next week? And guys, to tell it simple, I mentioned last week that we have a double bottom here, and after the double bottom, we tested the wedge area, got rejected, and went on to fulfill our target of the bullish move, sorry, of the double bottom. So we are kind of in a bearish trend on the weekly, but we are bullish on the daily chart. So the picture is a bit confusing, guys. So I'll keep it simple. As long as the price stays above 1.33182, guys, we are bullish. Even if the price breaks below this, it doesn't mean we become bearish in the overall trend. It means we will be getting a correction, and that correction would lead us to 1.32448. Okay, guys. And as long as we are above this, obviously we will be seeing the previous high we made last week, which is at 1.33840. And the next one, guys, we could be going for 1.34364. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair. And see you guys next week.